Hello guys, welcome to this piano tutorial. And so today I'll be showing you how you can play your own beats, in piano PSR X700, and also how you can, play instrumentals so that you can remove from your transfer to your flash and everything. You can sing it elsewhere, maybe when you are not with your piano. All right. So it's a very interesting lesson, guys. So let's go. So the first thing that I want to do, I would like to, let me say I want to create my own beat like Seben. All right, so I'll just I want to use right one here, right one. So I'm going to select, I'm going to, so I'm going to come to voice here. I'll select percussion and drums. So it's RC, then and drums. I'll click on it. There are various variety of drums there. So I'm going to select what we call, there are many drums. You can use what we call you can use the real drum kick. Is it here? So you can also use power kick. This power kick one, so I'm going to use power kick 2. All right, so when I've selected my voice, I'm going to come here on record. So when I come on record, when I click on record, if you look at my screen there, you will see that I have what we call quick MIDI. There's quick recording, and there's also audio recording. All right, MIDI quick recording and audio quick recording. So I'm going to start with, let me just start with audio. Audio quick recording, you just click on it. When you click on it, so if I'm playing like a beat, all right, let me see. I'm going to see how my recording here is blinking. So it's also blinking here. So they're saying that touch play or / pause to start recording. So I'm going to touch here. So anything that I touch on the keyboard will start recording already. So alright, so we quick recording. So when you are done, you just take stop. So why they call it audio quick recording? Because when you play that, for you to just get what you are playing, you just stop here. You just come back to play. Yeah. So anything that touch on the keyboard will start recording already. So alright, guys. So you can hear what the microphone is transmitting every information into the piano, right? So you can get what I was saying. Let's listen. I will take play again. All right. So we quick recording. So when you are done, you just take stop. All right. So all right, guys. So that's what quick recording does. Okay. So I'm going to the next one. So I'm going to come with the MIDI quick recording. So I'll come there, I'll click on quick. All right, so with that one, okay. For me to start recording, I'll also play on play or pause. All right, so let's go. So when I'm done on that, I will take pause, I will take stop, okay? So I can also save it to, oh, but before that, let me show you. So this is what I'm actually using. So C is my bass drum, then E is the like this bass drum. This one is like the snare drum. Then this one's the most of the ones are toms, 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 toms. Then the black keys are the cymbals. All right. So I'll come to save on my screen here. I'll take on save. All right. So I already have some other voices that already saved. So I'm gonna click here. So it will save like MP3. So I'll just so, take on the save here. I'll change the name. So I'll come to delete here. I'll call the name 7. All right. So we'll take capital letter shift 7. All right. 7. 7. All right. So I'll take, after doing that, I'll take OK. Okay. Hello guys. So with that, you can now, when you're done with that, you just come to player here. You click on player and you come to your screen. You select the 7 there and you go to play. All right. So that's play there. All right. With that, you can increase the tempo. You can increase the tempo, mixer, increase the volume. All right. That's the volume. You can increase it. There. So with these guys, you can, you can take this, copy this bit. You just come to file here, copy it. You can copy it, guys. You can copy it to wherever you want to copy, and you can also play. You can also play an instrumental and your record. Okay. Worship you. Guys, so the same way you can also play your instrumentals and record like that, just the instrumentals of a song or anything and record, maybe using grand piano and other voices, galaxy, and record, and you take it somewhere and you play and you sing without necessarily carrying your piano. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.